So hi everyone. So my name is Iray. I am export SaaS manager for a French company called Lumiscaphe. Lumiscaphe in French, Lumiscaphe in English. And this is Luc. He is a CG artist, and we will do the presentation together. Today we will give you first an idea of what we do and how Iray fits in. Then we will tell you what we want to achieve in our Iray integration and how it works. Finally, we'll see the benefits that have been so far, and also what some of our clients are doing with Iray. Lumiscaphe has over 15 years of experience in creating real-time software for photorealistic 3D prototype. Our expertise is in the use of CAD data, and then we create 3D model in real time. We provide solutions for industrial clients that enable them, of course, to create a model in 3D on real time, but not only. It's also about online 3D configurator. It's also about a real-time design review, and also about real-time VR and AR integration. So our goal is to provide industrial user with high quality, reusable visual content that allow them to view and manipulate a realistic prototype, 3D prototype before production. So we are known for the high quality visualization of our software. We are also known for certain technical aspects of our software, Patchwork 3D. One example here is our UV unfolding tool that is really appreciated by all the designers around the world. Actually, it enables them to map irregular surfaces in order to optimize the realism of material that are assigned to them. So yeah, this is one example of the tool for optimization. About Lumiscaphe and the clients that we have, so we are mainly present in the French and the Japanese market. So here you have some example of clients that are working with us. So our solutions are used mainly and firstly in the automotive industry, so in engineering department, to reduce cost and time through the use of photorealistic full-scale 3D prototype. In design department, to create, to analyze, to view different model, and also in marketing and sales to create an interactive customer experience. In the aerospace industry, our product serve also to reduce cost by process industrialization, and also some example of a product, for example, with airline seat in appropriate context, for example, with a full cabin layout. So these are our main two fields of activity. So now Luc will tell you more about why we choose to go with Iray and how we integrate Iray into our software.
So, hello everyone. What I want to express is that today at Lumiscaphe, digital continuity is the most important watchword. We try to accompany our clients from the CAD work all the way through the creation of great images, and what we want is our clients to rely on the quality of our software. We don't want them to use some third-party software. We want them to do everything within the same software. Every kind of rendering they need, we want them to do that in the same software. And that's where Iray comes in. Creating beautiful images, so I hope you can see well. We will start on the top right. This is an Opengl Rendering, the traditional rendering you can obtain with our main software. And actually, it's not a very refined image, but on purpose, because on the bottom left, this is the Iray translation of the very same 3D scene, the very same actually object and image, and you can see the enhancements that Iray brings to the image in terms of lighting. You really feel a mood actually in the image. The advantages for for us to choose Iray. There are 4 of them. The first one is actually our clients' familiarity with the software. We already have clients who use the software, who know Iray. They know the options, the features, and they know the quality of the output from Iray. Another advantage is the interoperability of Iray, the fact that it supports MDL and AXF file. It was a very positive point for us. Also, hardware compatibility. At Lumiscaphe, all our software, we test them on NVIDIA GPUs. And that reassures our clients, and also everyone knows that there will be no surprise, no hardware surprise with our solutions. The main challenge we faced while integrating Iray was the visual coherence. We know that our customers, they spend a lot of time in refining, readjusting their materials, their textures, color rendering design studios, for example. And we also discovered that with alternative solutions, so not Iray, they used to spend a lot of time in refining, readjusting everything, the colors, the textures, the materials. And what we want is actually to make sure there is a continuity between what's happening in our software in real time and the images you can obtain in Iray. So in terms of material and texture, yeah, we want that what's happening in Iray looks like what is outside Iray. We want that coherence. Okay, so how it works, this is Lumiscaphe's main software, Patchwork 3D. Here you can create 3D prototypes with CAD data, and all the modifications that you will apply in real time, actually you will get the result in a viewport in the software. On the top left, the small viewport, this is our traditional rendering, so Lumiscaphe's rendering, and the big viewport in the middle is the Iray translation. And as you can see, it's really smooth, really easy, and that there is that coherence in the rendering. The benefits of choosing Iray, so there are 2 benefits. The first one, the obvious one, is the quality of the rendering, the enhancements of all the images. You know all the qualities of Iray, I won't repeat them again. We are speaking about that since noon. So this is the first big benefit we have with Iray. And the other one that we didn't expect it, actually, we had some feedback, some people who expressed an interest in our solution, in Lumiscaphe solutions, because they knew that they could benefit also from Iray renderings after that. So we integrated Iray in 2016, and we released it only to few customers in the beginning and in a beta version. Now we have completely deployed it, and every customer can have access to Iray. So it's used in architecture for setups in architectural spaces, for example. In the automotive industry, it's also used for rendering the outside and the inside of vehicles. But I'm talking about vehicles of the future. Maybe you know this one, it's a French car. Maybe you know this one already. Unfortunately, you know, the difficulty with industrial customers is that they won't show you what they are working on at the moment. And so I'll be glad to talk to you about your current projects with Iray, things we can see, we can talk about. So maybe later today. Thanks.